Hi, third grade. Here we are together again. Today we're on Module C, Unit 1, Writing, Lesson 4. And our learning target for today is writers write a strong lead to state their opinion. So that's right, we're going to go ahead and get started with our essays today by taking our plans, that introduction section, and we are going to write a few leads and choose our favorite one. We are well on our way to writing this opinion essay. So before we get started, I want to make sure you have everything you need. You'll need your writer's notebook or something to write on, your plan from lesson 3, and a pencil or something to write with. So grab what you need and join me right back here so we can get started. So boys and girls, I just want to share with you that we have already learned several different types of leads or introductions through our narrative writing work and our informational writing work. And today I'm going to present to you a few more different types of leads. And this is just adding to our toolbox to help us as writers so that we're not stuck doing the same type of lead or introduction every time we write. So let's take a look at the leads that I've written for you today, and then I'll give you a chance to try some of them out. So the first type of lead is a narrative lead. This is where you think of a short story about a time you experienced what you will be writing about. Be sure to include details that relate to the problem. So here's my example of a narrative lead. After lunch on the first day of school, I remember looking for a recycling bin to throw away the plastic bottle my drink was in. To my surprise, the cafeteria helper told me the only recycling bin on campus was in the front office, which was miles away from the cafeteria. I started thinking about all of the trash that could be recycled if only we had more bins. It was a problem that had to be addressed, and soon. So do you see how I actually came up with a little story that told the problem, told my solution, and had some details that related to that problem? That's one type of lead. Another type of lead is called paint a scene. So for this type of lead, you close your eyes and picture the place that you're going to write about. Think about what details do you see, and then create a painting with words. So I'm going to show you how I paint a scene for my introduction to my opinion essay. The cafeteria at Sunnyside Elementary is a lot like any other cafeteria. Noisy, full of students, and lots of different smells mingling in the air. As you look around, you'll see plastic bottles, paper plates and napkins, and even a few aluminum cans. What you won't see are any bins for all of that waste to be recycled. So do you see how I painted a scene? You can actually put yourself into that cafeteria and imagine yourself being there. And I've also presented the problem and my solution in this introduction. The third and final type of lead that I'm going to be sharing with you today is called Personalize the topic. This is where you write as if you are speaking directly to one person. You use words like you or we in order to personalize your lead. Listen to my example. The cafeteria at Sunnyside Elementary may look like a wonderful place to spend 30 minutes of your day eating lunch, but something is missing. That something is recycling bins. Are you aware that there is only one recycling bin on the entire school campus? This is a problem that we must address, and soon. So again, I've presented the problem and my solution, but do you see how I spoke directly to you? I said, are you aware? And then I said, this is a problem that we must address. So I've pulled you in and made you a part of my writing by personalizing my introduction. All right, boys and girls, we've come to the part of the lesson where it is your turn to try out a few leads and then choose your favorite. So here are the steps that you will follow in order to be successful with your work today. First, you'll look at the introduction opinion statement that you wrote on your plan sheet in lesson 3. So we're looking at the top box on your plan sheet. Then use the slides in this lesson with different types of introductions so that you can try out 2 or 3 introductions for your essay. So you can go backwards in this Nearpod and look at the different types of leads that I presented to you today and my examples, and that will help guide you as you're trying out a couple of different types of leads or introductions. After you've drafted a couple of different introductions, then you will choose your favorite, take that introduction, and write it on a fresh, clean sheet of notebook paper or turn to a fresh, clean page in your writer's notebook, and that is going to be your introduction paragraph of your opinion essay. And we're just going to be, from that point on, we're going to be adding to it by writing our body paragraphs, our reasons, and then our conclusion. All right, you are ready for this work, so I am sending you off. Good luck.